Alright, it's Frano here. I'm just going to talk a little bit about preserving the earth, and the way a lot of people view the earth these days is very backwards and twisted, and it all stems from the ego and programming that people believe that it's our planet because we are the most intelligent species that we're aware of on the planet. And it stems from the white man, who people like Muhammad Ali described as the white devil. And it goes further back than that, but if you look in the last few hundred years, the big thing has been basically the white man, the Americans, the British, began sailing, inventing large ships and sailing to new lands and pillaging on the way, kind of thing. Obviously, eventually it ended up in America with slaves being taken from Africa and brought back to America to serve these white fat cats. But before then, it was more like white men exploring other cultures, such as the white American would explore Native American culture, and obviously that led to a lot of fighting and a clash of cultures. Whereas nowadays we've kind of understood a lot more about different cultures. So we're a lot more accepting nowadays, but we're not as we should be, and we're not actually looking after the earth as a sustainable planet as much as we should be. So you can see here I'm doing a litter run at the moment. I got quite a lot in there so far, and this is working on a natural area just close to where I stay here. And this isn't, the thing is, a lot of people, they want to get paid for anything they do. They feel like they don't have the time of day to do voluntary work. But you start to realise that having time is a blessing, but wasting time is the opposite. So basically, the more time you have, the more energy you should put into volunteering. See kind of some rabbit holes there. I'm just gonna lay out some carrots. They normally tend to come out when it's quieter, but you can see maybe not at the moment, but I'm sure they'll be grateful when they see some orange carrot there. So yeah, I'm just basically, that's what I'm getting at today, that people need to be more generous and not always expect something in return for what they do, because the way of the world does not always... I see a nice black cat over there. You can't always... expecting to always receive when you give is actually arguably an expression of the ego. And you need to put in a lot of work sometimes before you receive even small gifts back. So yeah, I'm just going to leave it there then. So I'm just going to say goodbye now. So Frano, peace in and out. of love, high vibrations.